If you're on this page, I know you're trying to conceive or you want to get a healthy period after birth control, but it has been very, very difficult for you. And congratulations, because you have come to the right place. So my name is Nasteri, and maybe you are wondering, like, why should I even listen to you, Nasteri? You should listen to me because for the past 4 years, I've been working with mothers closely who have been going this very same problem, and after an extensive research, I've come up with really nice guide that can actually help you solve this problem. And I'm not just talking, I am also walking this journey because I'm also using it to detox myself, because I've also been a victim of these hormonal birth control methods. I was struggling with breast pain, I was struggling with a lot of weight gain, I was not having a period, I was not ovulating, and now all of that is being reversed. I'm now ovulating, I have a healthy period, the weight is going down, the PMS symptoms are kinda all gone, and I barely have any breast tenderness at all. So this can only be attributed by just one little thing that I did: removing the synthetic hormones that accumulate in your body with the birth control method. And then when you gradually remove them by this detox, then you're gonna be able to reset your whole entire cycle so that you can have a period, so that you can start ovulating, and so that you can conceive if you want to. For me right now, I already have my fertile mucus, so I know if I want to conceive right now, it would be really, really simple. So what are you waiting for? Just get this guide. It's gonna show you how to do it, what to do it, when. It is a whole plan for you that I've carefully crafted for you. And if you're not okay, if you don't want these, there's also another option. You can book a one-on-one session with me where I can sit down with you, we go through the guide, I show you how to do it, or we just go through your history entirely as a person, as an individual, and we come up with a personalized plan for you. So take action. The results that you are looking for are at the end, or at the other end of you taking action. So take action, get this guide, download it, or book a private session with me, and you'll be on your way to being so happy like me. Have your cycle back, have your periods back, start ovulating again, feel like a woman again, and enjoy life being a woman, and be able to conceive when you want to, and also be able to avoid pregnancy when you want to. So thank you so much. Take action, and the price is really reasonable considering all the research that I put into this. The price is quite reasonable. Take it, run with it, and be healed.